pyjamas in here as well.
Good morning everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm vlogging with the family, which I never do. I feel weird about it. Even now, I feel like Greg can hear me vlogging and it's weird. So I don't really know what's gonna happen, how much I'm gonna be able to film. It might be all too chaotic and I might end up not even putting this video up, but I'm gonna give it a go. Sorry, I'm just eating a banana. You okay, Rudy? It's my dad's birthday and we are gonna go to Leigh-on-Sea, which is apparently only an hour away and meant to be really, really lovely by the sea. My dad loves the sea. Gray will love going to the beach. So I've spent the morning packing up. Literally my parents just, I think all they're taking with them is a bottle of water. We've got to take the kids' lunch, the kids' dinner. We just don't know where we're gonna be and like if there'll be places for them to eat. So I've made peanut butter sandwiches and pasta and so much food, so many snacks, swimming costumes, towels, the whole shebang. But I think we are finally ready to go. Rich has just gone to get ready upstairs. I'm eating a banana and then we're gonna get on the road. Only an hour later, we've arrived at Leigh-on-Sea and I can see the water. And we're gonna go on the hunt for a coffee. That is what we need ASAP. We've come to a place called The Hatch. It's a really cute little coffee place. We've come to get a coffee and kind of plan our day. We actually have no idea where we're going. Look how nice it is in here. Cute little place to know. Rudy's having sandwiches and we've just come to the beach. We've actually just went to ask some locals. And that was all I managed to film. I thought that might happen. It was a bit of a failed vlog. After I filmed the little clip on the beach, we asked some locals like where the local town was, if we wanted to kind of go to a cafe and some shops, and they were like, it's that way up a massive, massive hill. So we had to walk up this massive hill with Buggy and with Gray, and she didn't want to walk, and I just was like, nah, this is... As soon as I lose the mood to vlog, it's done. I just wanted to like focus on making the day fun for the kids and nice for my dad for his birthday. We ended up going up to the town and having some brunch, walking around the shops, and then we walked all the way back down to the beach. We had some really nice like seafood for lunch. There wasn't as much to do there than I thought. It's quite different to somewhere like Whitstable, which I think is a bit easier because everything's just like in one place. It was really nice though, nice for a change of scenery, and there's some really cute little cafes and stuff there. But yeah, it wasn't a day for vlogging. I just watched back the clips that I filmed though, and I love that hat that I was wearing. I never wear hats like that and it was just so fun. I will link below, I think it's from a place called Studio Bust, so I'll link that down below in the description box. But it's like a week later now. I've literally just washed and straightened my hair. I'd like to say it's feeling clean, but you know when you don't like fully wash out the conditioner. I have got a day in town today. Well, I've actually only got one meeting, annoyingly, so I might try and like tag something else on. I always feel like it's a bit of a waste to go into town just for like one thing. But that is what I'm doing today. Last night, I had a massage in my own house. I've been feeling a little bit down and a little bit funny recently, probably also not helped by the fact that I was due on my period, which came yesterday. I really wanted to just like treat myself and I really fancied a nice massage, but I phoned up Cowshed, which is like my usual place, and they are booked up for weeks. There's only one Cowshed spa in London now in Primrose Hill and it's just always booked up. So I thought I would give the Ruby app a try. I've seen people talk about it before. It's an app where you can, this isn't an ad by the way, this was totally like organic and paid for by me. It's an app where you can like book things like your nails, massage, facial. There's so much stuff to pick from and they come to your house. And I just thought that would be perfect because it wouldn't take up much time. And I actually booked it for 9 p.m. So I had dinner, watched a bit of TV. I was able to shower first, which I really like before a massage. And then she came along. So you pick like a local person. I saw a photo of her and some reviews and stuff. I picked a Swedish massage. It cost me £65, which is average, I would say, for a massage, an hour-long massage. She came with her portable bed. We did it up here in the loft. I put the nice like mood lighting on, lit a candle. She had some music with her, and it was a really good massage. When it started, I thought, not sure if this is going to be the best massage ever, and then it just got better and better and better, and it was so nice. And then she left at 10 and I went to bed. Honestly, it was genius. Very bougie, a proper treat, not something I do often. I've never used one of these at-home app things. I just thought it was great, so I just wanted to let you guys know, recommend it to you. Got quite a quiet week this week, which is nice. August is always a little bit quiet in the industry. A lot of people take time off if they've got kids at school. At the end of this week, we are going to stay with Ruth Crilly for the night. I haven't been to her new house, haven't seen her kids for years, and just really excited. It's gonna be so, so nice. Yeah, that's about it for this week, really. Wearing my Arquette crew neck t-shirt today, which is just a very easy t-shirt to throw on, and I'm wearing my jeans from And Other Stories, which are the favorite cut. I love these jeans. They're a little bit big for me. I've lost a little bit of weight recently, like not a huge amount, but just like a little bit of baby weight. So I could probably go down a size in jeans or get these taken in or something, but I'm wearing them anyway. I don't mind like jeans being a bit baggy. Guys, I've been quite good with the exercise thing. Like, I'm quite impressed with myself. I'm being kind to myself. I'm not being like super intense about it. You know what I'm like. I'm not like dieting or like obsessing about it, but I'm playing tennis twice a week, which I just really enjoy. And I've got a PT now once a week as well. A girl who I'd seen a couple of years ago after I had Gray. I really like her because she's female. It just works really well for me. She's had kids, so she totally gets it. She kind of likes a bit of a gossip and a chat, which is always a good distraction for me when working out. And then she does the sort of stuff that I really like part of the workout is boxing. And I really like boxing because it's all to do with coordination. It's a bit like dancing and gets out a bit of like pent up energy and anger and stuff. That makes me sound really angry, but you know, it's just a really good release. So I've been enjoying doing that. And what I've realized, actually, I used to always work out in the evening because I used to always be like, I'm not a morning person, but actually I would then dread it all day and I just want to sit down and have dinner and watch TV, and I was never in the mood. And actually I'm up early anyway because of the kids, so I've started doing workouts in the morning and I've actually really been enjoying it because then it's kind of just done for the day, and it's such a relief when you're finished and you can shower and that is it. No more exercise for the whole day. It also kind of sets me off for like quite a productive day. My new routine is like a Monday morning PT, and then Monday is my admin day. So on a Monday I never make content, which means that I can just have no makeup on. I can just be in my like loungewear all day, because that's the hard thing with fitting in like a workout, is then if I do a workout and then do a shoot, I've got to like do my hair and do my makeup, and it just takes up so much time. So Monday is my makeup free, no shooting content day, and that is when I do my PT. Get all my admin done, I get all my emails done, I kind of plan for the week, and it has made me feel really productive. You guys have been on this journey with me and know how much I hate exercise. We have got rid of our dining table. I know it seems a bit crazy to sell a table when we haven't got a new one. We probably are a bit crazy, but I've been desperate to get rid of this dining table for so long. Like, I think 1 or 2 years maybe. We really regretted the purchase. Not only was it just like a really bad quality table that was getting really damaged, that we could live with. We put a tablecloth on it, fine. It was just the wrong shape for the room. It was so big. We bought it before even having Gray. We thought we'd want to host loads of people all the time for dinner, but the reality is most of the time it's just us, and occasionally we have lots of people over. And it was just a massive rectangular table. And our island is also a massive rectangle, so there was just too many big rectangles going on. What we need is something smaller, something round, oval or oblong, just curved corners, a bit more space for the kids. It just wasn't getting used and it felt in the way. But I just haven't been able to find anything that's right, and I don't want to rush the decision. So I thought if we get rid of the table, and then I thought maybe I could just like live with the space, and I could put some masking tape on the floor, measure it out and decide what we want. At the moment, we're just using it as a bit of a play area, and it's just so nice to have the space. We've got like Rudy's high chair there. So yeah, I'm just thinking something a bit like more round or oval shape. I'm not 100% sure. By the way, guys, this is the Nuby one. It's way more affordable than the one from Scandi Born. It's like £35 or something for this from Tesco. A friend actually got it for us. I don't understand how I've lost my AirPods. I can only assume that Gray is like hidden them somewhere or something. It's so annoying because I'm totally obsessed with this podcast called Unreal, which is like a docu-series kind of analysing reality TV. It's so good. It covers like Love Island, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Big Brother. It goes from like early days reality TV to now. I really recommend listening to it, but I'm so addicted. I'm listening every day. And now I'm about to get on the tube and I really want my AirPods. Okay, this vlog did not go to plan. It's another day. I went into town, had a meeting, nothing was vloggable. But anyway, today I thought I would just finally finish this vlog. By the way, I'm obsessed with this
This is Victoria Beckham Bitten Lip Tint in, oh, I can't see the name, but I'll put it down below in the description box. It's such a nice colour. I'm gonna pop to Westfield just for like an hour. I wanna go look at West Elm. They also have a Heels and a Habitat there just to look at some dining table options. There are some really good ones on eBay for second hand, and there's also some on Etsy that you can get made. I just find it really hard to not see the furniture in real life, because then you can't tell what the quality's like, if it's kind of wobbly. It's just like a big purchase to make without seeing it in real life. So I'm gonna try and go look at a few in shops. I'm worried that I'm never actually gonna be able to like commit to one. That's quite me, to just not be able to commit to such a big purchase. But there is one in West Elm that's like a dark wood round table that's extendable, and it's like one of their best sellers. So I'm gonna go have a look at that. Pop there for an hour, West Elm, Boots, come back, finish off some work. Now we've moved the table, I can see how grubby this wall is. I don't even know if that's food stain or anything, but it's not coming off. So I ordered some of these magic erasers. I'm meant to soak them in water. That didn't work on its own. So I'm gonna try the magic eraser with the pink stuff and see if that does the trick. Let's like dip a bit in there. Oh God, I've broken the bloody eraser. Oh, I think it's working there. Wait. Oh, it is working, but you have to really... Okay, when I've got time to actually give it a proper go.
Ready, brush the teeth.
Let's get some milk.
Look.
You pick them up? Okay, we're in Westfield and we've parked by Habitat and Heels, so I'm going to quickly head in there and see what they've got. Heels is normally quite good. Didn't we get some stuff from it? We got all our lighting from Heels when we did the renovation. Look how nice that is for a desk or a beauty desk. Don't need that though. There's lots of big rectangular dining tables. Gorgeous. Don't need a big rectangular table. Oh my gosh. Love those. Oh, they have all the like rippled glasses and stuff. This looks comfy. Habitat have this one. It's pretty big. Comes in just black. I just asked what other woods it comes in. I think it's too pale, this wood. It's got this extendable bit in the middle. So it would be like a small oval when it's not extended, but I don't think the colour will go. Okay, I'm in West Elm and there are two extendable dining tables. This is the first one. I love the colour of this wood. It's a bit darker. I'm just not sure about the legs. Also, I don't know if this is it already extended or before extension. I need to ask. And then the one that I saw online, which is the best seller, is this one, which is a pretty classic, like mid-century shape. I'm not sure if our dining chairs will go with it. They're black and like cane. I mean, they should, but it's also maybe a little bit too orangey, the wood. I'm not 100% sure about the colour of the wood. Also, I need to check what it extends to, so I'm going to have to ask and have a look at both of these. It'll just show me how it extends. Oh, it just pulls them up. Okay.
And then we've got the extra bits on.
They've just gone to find the middle bit. But even when it's extended, it's not too big. It's a really nice, like, oval shape. Oh, I really like it. But one, it's pricey. Two, it's just a bit orangey. Rich, can you just grab that chair over there? It's not technically black. It's like a really dark wood, but it's black. It looks like black. And we can kind of maybe see what it would look like with our chairs. Not the end of it, like, I don't think that's that bad. I think the chair, oh God. Oh, I wish it was just a different colour. Maybe it comes in other colours. Okay, lucky I take photos of everything. This is our floor colour. It's obviously looking a bit more blue tone on the camera. It's a very orangey wood.
Kind of works. It's really annoying.
It's okay, we're just going to see if we can actually do it ourselves, because it was quite tricky to put together. Okay, we're in John Lewis and they've got a few options. They said they just sold their extendable
round to oblong table, so they can't show me, but they've got it in this colour, which actually now on camera looks quite orange, but in real life it's definitely not as orange as the West Elm one, I don't think. I mean, this one's nice with the cool legs, but it's too big. It doesn't extend. They do have this round one. Like, Rich, how many people realistically are we gonna have round to eat? At the most, 6? Like 2 couple friends? We're not gonna have, if all my family come round, it's either gonna be summer for a barbecue. Like, people don't, I don't know. We don't all sit, we don't have like big, we'll probably go to my parents if that was the case. Could you fit 6 people around here? It's quite cool, isn't it? And if you got this in like a darker wood, quite like it. And then at least we can like put it to the side and have play area next to it. Before we give Rudy lunch, we're just going to quickly pop into Boots to get a couple of things that I need. This is what I was looking for, the Avent Soothing Skin Recovery Cream. And I need to get, this is a really boring purchase, but these little like fizzy tablets, this is how I clean my brace. I put it in a little pot and I pop one of these in every morning. Okay, we're coming to our favourite, to feed Rudy and buy some stuff for our lunch. Should we just look at what the sushi is, Rich? Because we always order from that bit at the back. They've got like ready-made stuff here. I guarantee Rich will buy like an, well that's no, you like the aloe vera juices, don't you? Which I cannot stand the texture. Look at all this. Oh, I just always want all the stuff here. This is like my absolute dream. Last time we came, we got Gray the strawberry pockies and she loved them, so I thought I'd get a mango. She's more into like something like mango flavoured than chocolate. Rich got an assortment of sushi. I got some of the tuna one and avocado. Rudy's having lentil bites, not quite ready for sushi, although he would probably love it. This tuna sushi is delicious. It's got a really nice like spicy mayo in it. Is yours good? I was going to get the chicken katsu, you've got a bit of that. I wasn't sure what that one is. Is it egg or pickle?
Pickle. No, it's egg. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I think it was egg, that's why I didn't go for that one. Got some extra pickled ginger, because I'm obsessed. It's weird, because I really don't like ginger as a flavour, like in juices or anything, but I love pickled ginger.
Also, life lesson of the day, keep trying things like every year of your life, even if there are certain flavours you hate, because your taste buds change. I like coriander now, and I never ever thought I'd say that. I hated it for so many years, but now I can really appreciate what it like does to a meal when you add it in. So just keep trying. Don't say, oh, I don't like that, if you haven't tried it for a while.
There's a really cute Miffy pop-up here. Gray actually has this as a little lamp in her bedroom. This is like a massive life-size version of Miffy. These are so cute. They also have really sweet little plates as well. Okay, we are home. Apparently that John Lewis table isn't out yet in the dark brown. It's coming out in September. I'm just gonna keep looking. I'm gonna try not to rush into decision. I'm very much the person that rushes into things just because I get a bit like bored and I'm just like, oh, whatever, anything will do. But yeah, I need to like look around and have a think. I've got tennis tonight. I actually had it last night as well because my private lesson got moved and tonight's like a group lesson. Very much looking forward to that. I'm gonna get on this afternoon, edit this vlog, and I think I'm gonna make a TikTok or a reel or something. Get my creative juices flowing. This has been the most mismatch, I don't know. Mix of a vlog ever. Thanks for sticking with it if you did. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.